You guys ever hear this before? That's what it sounds like on heron's nest. I'm just standing here and a fish dropped out of the tree. Must have seen me and it quieted down just a little bit. Here's what I heard crashing through the trees when I was approaching here. Dropped a fish. And you can hear them. They're still squawking. Here's the other fish I see them drop. These guys are way up in the top of these trees, probably about 80 feet up, in the very top. I love this time of year because the foxglove blooms. This is beautiful stuff. Grows wild here. I know a private little spot here in Letchworth where to find it. It's just beautiful stuff. And over there, some really nice white foxglove. I'll get a little closer. Yep, it's all around here. It seems to be this one little patch here. But I try to make it here every year about this time and almost forgot about it this year, so glad I didn't miss it.